Hi guys, I am Mr. Paradox and we will continue security and we will solve Linux Fundamentals Part 2 and we will solve this ROM in our Linux machine. Okay, start. Linux Fundamentals Part 2 Introduction. Let's proceed check. Accessing our Linux machine using SSH deploy. Okay, start machine. And I have logged into the Linux Fundamentals Part 2 machine using SSH. Okay, check. Introduction to flags and switches. Explore the manual page of the ls command. Okay, check. What directional arrow key would we use to navigate down the manual page? Our directional arrow key is down to navigate down the manual page. You can see to write the ls and help. What flag would we use to display the output in a human readable way? H flag is used to display the output in a human readable way. File system interaction continued. Okay. How would you create the file named new node? We must touch command for the create a new file and we should write touch new node. On the deployable machine, what is the file type of unknown one in TryAcme's home directory? We should switch the TryAcme's deploy machine and our IP address is that. We write try sh TryAcme okay, yes, password is TryAcme. Okay, we switched TryAcme's deploy machine and what is our question? What is the file type of unknown one? We must use the command of file to see the file's type and our file name is unknown one. ISK text. Okay, unknown one's type is ISK text. How would we move the file my file to the directory of my folder? We use the we move my file to my folder. Move my file to my folder. And I want to display it. Okay, what are the contents of this file? And cd to the my folder, change directory my folder, and cat and ls my file and cat my file. Cat command is used to open the files and to see what is located in the files. Our flag is that thm file system. Continue to apply your knowledge and practice the commands from this task. Check. Permission 101. On the deployable machine, who is the owner of important? And we must change directory to the root directory and ls l8 important. With the help of this command, we can find the file and we can learn about these files, owners and permissions. Okay, our file's owner is user2. What would the command be to switch to the user2? Okay, we use the su command to switch the other user, example user2. We need a password, but we don't know the password. Okay, we need only command name. Now switch the user2 using the password user2. Okay. Okay. Now switch the user2 using the password user2. Okay. So user2 and our password is user2. Okay. Output the contents. Check. Output the contents of important. What is the flag? Cat important. Sorry guys. cd root directory and cat important. ls. Okay, find important. Where is the important file? cd home, cd my folder, sorry, there is a problem, but cd home try hack me. Okay, ls important cat important. Our flag is that. Okay. Common directories. Readme check. What is the directory path that would we expect logs to be stored in? Var and log directory is used to store the logs. Okay. What root directory is similar to how RAM on a computer works? Temporary files is located in temporary directory. The name the home directory of the root user. Okay. Home directory of root user is root. Now apply your learning and navigate through these directories on the deployed Linux machine. Check. Conclusions and summaries. No answer needed. Proceed to the next task to continue your learning. Check. Linux Linux fundamentals part 3, terminate the machine from task 2. Okay, terminate machine. Check. Join Linux fundamentals part 3. Check. Okay guys, we solved this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.